today I'm gonna sing ABCs backwards, but blindfolded. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, I blindfolded myself and now I can't see. So let me just fit myself. Now I'm gonna sing it. ZYXWBUTSRQPONNMLJKIHGFEDCBA. Now I know my backward ABCs. Now next time you say it with me. Alright guys, now I did it. I'm gonna take off my blindfold. I did it. See, that is one thing that people cannot do. They cannot say their ABCs backwards, but blindfolded. So yeah, like and subscribe if you think if it's fake or real, the video I did right now.